Hey Crave Ravers! This quick and easy breakfast idea will only take less than 30 minutes to prepare. And today we're making Tuna Ala Pobre. It's quite similar to Bistec Tagalog, but instead of using beef, we're using canned tuna. First, let's prepare our sauce. Simply mix together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1/4 cup of water, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, and 4 to 5 pieces of calamansi. In a separate bowl, dissolve 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of water. Over medium heat, add the cooking oil and cook the garlic until golden brown. This is going to add flavor and crunch to our dish. After that, we're gonna set this aside, but we're also gonna leave some garlic bits in the pan. Next, let's add our tuna. I like mine chunky with a bit of spice, so I'm gonna use Ysa's Yellowfin Tuna Chunks in olive oil with chili. And do you wanna know what makes Ysa's a premium brand tuna? First, they use olive oil. Second, they don't just use ordinary chili, but bird's eye chili. And lastly, it has no fishy aftertaste at all because it's made from 100% yellowfin tuna. I'm not adding all the olive oil to the dish, so I'm only draining a portion of it. Let that simmer for about a minute. Add some black pepper, and finally our pre-mixed sauce and slurry. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. This is optional, but you can melt some butter, garnish with spring onions, and a lot of toasted garlic. And you're done. Don't forget to tag me when you try this recipe. Bye!